Hey, I'm going to show you how to update Google Chrome if it is not updated automatically, because usually there's a scheduled task job that runs for that. So if you open up scheduled task and do task scheduler, wait for that to open. So once task scheduler opens, go to task schedule library, and usually you're going to see usually one or two Google automatically update triggers. But if the machine hasn't been on in a while and you just want to force it, you can go to your three dots here, go to settings, and then go to about. And this should force the update. And it looks like it is right now. You can see we're on a very old version of Chrome, and it's automatically updating to the latest version. Now, if this doesn't work or it doesn't work, your next best thing to do is literally just uninstall Chrome by going to add and remove programs, uninstall it, and then reinstall it with a fresh version. Um, so let's go ahead and like I said, install with a fresh version um, if this doesn't work. But this is the fastest way to do that. So go ahead and hit relaunch. Now it should relaunch with the latest version of Chrome. And to check again, let's go to the three dots, settings, and then you can see this is a lot different setup here. So go to about Chrome again, and it does another check, and now we're on version 8.0, and which is the latest. So that's it.